What's going on, everyone? It's Alex from Something Smoking, and today we're smoking up a beautiful pork tenderloin. You're not going to want to miss this one. Alright, so in my opinion, pork tenderloin is completely underrated. It's easy to cook, it's cheap, you can cook it quick depending on the method you choose, and it tastes absolutely incredible. So today we're going to be doing a low and slow cook. We're going to do a marinade. So I got a beautiful pork tenderloin here from my local butcher. We got to remove some of the silver skin that might still be on the pork. Sometimes your butcher will do that for you. A lot of times you still have some cleaning up you're going to have to do. So we're going to trim this up. Best method for dealing with silver skin, whether it's on a tenderloin or on a rack of ribs, is to just take a piece of paper towel. And all you're going to do is try to grab the silver skin with the paper towel, and it comes right off. See that? So we'll trim that fat just like that. Okay, so we got the tenderloin all cleaned up, as good as we're going to get it anyway. And we're going to put that to the side and start making our marinade. So for our marinade, we're going to use half a cup of apple juice, quarter cup of brown sugar. I got 2 garlic cloves minced here. This is 3 tablespoons of honey, sea salt, a little bit, black pepper, a little bit more. Now you're going to also put in around 3 tablespoons of your preferred pork seasoning. We're actually going to use our sweet chicken seasoning, which is newly available. You can buy it on our website and on Amazon. So, yeah, that looks pretty good. So we're going to mix that all up. Now we're going to take our pork tenderloin and just nestle it into that marinade, just like that. The marinade's good for about 2 tenderloins. If you want to do 3, 4, just double the marinade recipe and you'll be just fine. So we're going to wrap this, we're going to put it in the fridge about 2 hours, up to 3 hours. So we'll come back in 2 hours and we'll get cooking. All right, so this tenderloin's been marinating in the fridge for 2 hours. The smell of this is just incredible. One thing I forgot to mention, I did have some fresh thyme, which I didn't put in here when I was originally showing you the recipe. So if you have some aromatics you want to throw in there, that's totally fine as well. So we're going to get this out of here. Again, I'm using these smoker racks. Makes it really easy to get the meat in and out of the house. So let's get this out on the grill. We'll see you out there. So we're out at the pit here. We're going to be smoking this tenderloin at 250 degrees for 1 to 2 hours. We're going to put our meat probe in the center there, and we're going to pull this off at 145 degrees. We'll see what it looks like when it's done. All right, we just hit 145 internal. I double checked it with an instant read thermometer as well. Always a good habit to do that. You could go a little bit longer if you wanted, but we're gonna pull this off right now, get it resting, and then we'll have a bite. Well, there you have it, our beautiful pork tenderloin. This cook took about an hour and a half. We smoked it over 250 degrees and we pulled it off at an internal temperature of 145. You could go a little bit longer if you wanted. Always cook to a safe internal temperature. I cooked 145 on a pork tenderloin because I feel it gives it the most juicy, flavorful taste, but you can go a little bit longer if you feel like it. So let's get into this right now and see how we did. Super juicy. Right. Oh yeah, that is super juicy. Look at that smoke ring there. It's looking real good. Let's carve off a piece. Nice and tender, nice and juicy. Let's go for a bite. Wow. I'm going to saute up some broccoli, cut it all up and have it with that. You can put it on a salad, you can put it on a sandwich. Give it a go for yourself, make it your own. I'm sure it's going to turn out just perfect. Until next time, take care.